Hey there marketers, if you are tired of struggling to build your list or sick of spending hours designing opt-in pages that just don't convert, this is for you. Today I'm reviewing one of my smartest PLR packages, 12 magnetic lead capture pages with full private label rights. And let me tell you, these are not your boring, outdated templates. These are professionally written, high converting capture pages designed to do one thing: get leads fast. Whether you are in affiliate marketing, side hustles, or the make money space, these pages are on fire. Check this out. This is the first template. Weird 5 minutes hack floods my inbox with $25 payments. No tech, no product, no BS. Just follow the steps and collect. This is the page. When you click on it, you will see a real demo, real life demo. And if you check the second template, this traffic trick is so sneaky it should be illegal. Instant clicks from real people who buy. Zero ads, zero fluff, and people can opt in anytime. Look at this one. $100 a day, $100 a day with simple copy paste side hustle. Just copy, paste, and profit. Works even if you are brand new. These headlines are designed to grab attention, stir curiosity, and make people want to opt in. And the best part is that you don't have to build anything yourself. These pages come with Leadsleap share codes, so you just copy paste and boom, they are live and ready to collect leads. Literally, it takes 60 seconds to import any of these pages. You can edit, tweak, brand them however you want, or use them as they are. This package is a gold mine for affiliate marketers, list builders, Warrior Plus and JVZoo vendors, anyone who wants it done for you lead magnet that converts. And yes, you get also the PLR rights so that you can do whatever you want to do with them. You can use them to build your email list, give them away as bonuses, sell them as your own lead funnel package, and even rebrand and flip them. Let me show you some demos here. Like if I click on this one here, you will see how I made $2,734 with one free traffic source. 100% free method, real proof. Copy it in 10 minutes. Even the call to action is there. Enter your email to copy this traffic method. Let's take a look at another one. Discover the secret affiliate system hidden from 99%. This underground method works like wildfire. See it in action, and here is the call to action. Let's check another one. This guy, for example, this free page gets 100 to 300 clicks a day without SEO. No blog, no YouTube, no ads, just simple clicks equal cash. Let's take a look at the next ones. Here, the $0 startup funnel that's banking beginners fast. Let's go to the rest. Here we have 11 and 12. This guy here says, warning, this viral traffic loophole may get you sales fast. If you need buyers and leads like yesterday, see this now. Let's take a look at the last one here, and it says the affiliate shortcut no one talks about, but it works. Step-by-step guide to fast commissions without the usual grind. And of course, again, you can tweak the headlines, you can tweak the subheadlines, the calls to action, the buttons, and of course, very important to connect your capture page to the list you want to build and send them to the right bridge page that you want to use to make like instant commissions if you'd like to. So guys, this is a limited time offer though, so if you are serious about list building, this is your chance to grab a shortcut that works. You click the link below this video and get instant access to all 12 pages plus the PLR rights. Don't miss out. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. Have a nice day.